I'm Dr.K Gireesh, physician, neurophysician and neurosurgeon. As part of the Health Bouquet, today I'll be highlighting on the 12 ways to improve the brain health. 1 is feed your brain with healthy, nutritious food. When I say healthy, nutritious food, that means a food which contains carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. And in addition, you'll have to take plenty of fruits and vegetables, which are very, very essential for your brain. The second one is keep moving. That means you should stretch out yourself and try to have a physical exercise. A physical exercise, when I say it's isotonic exercise, like walking, running, jogging, swimming. The best one is walking beyond the age of 45 or 50 years. And when you walk or when you stretch or you keep moving, there will be an increase in oxygen flow. The heart starts pumping very well and there will be an increase in oxygen flow to all the organs, especially the brain. And exercise can also lower the blood pressure and can improve the cholesterol levels. Also, it reduces the stress. The third one is manage your blood pressure. If your BP is normal, well and good. If you have high blood pressure, it has to be controlled on a regular basis. Check it and with medication. The fourth one is manage your blood sugar if you are a diabetic. See that the fasting is kept at the level of around 110 milligram and a postprandial, that is after your food, 2 hours after food, it should be well below 150. Diabetes is a risk factor. In addition to taking medication, you should also look into your diet. Diet, the quantity is more important than even the quality. Therefore, adhere to a strict diabetic diet and your medications. Keep your blood sugar well within normal limits so that your brain will function very well. The fifth is avoid alcohol as well as avoid smoking. Avoid alcohol because alcohol can go down to your stomach, later go to your liver and start inhibiting or hindering the metabolic activities that are taking place, and thereby energy is not released and the energy does not reach your brain, heart, and then you become dull. Alcohol can interfere with your brain functioning too. It can even directly damage certain brain cells, especially in the cerebellum and the one portion of the cerebellum called the vermis, and you can have a drunken gait. The sixth one is protect your head. Head injuries, especially when you ride two-wheelers, wear a helmet, and thereby you're not only protecting your skull bone and the skin, but you're also protecting the brain. Good impact, as you can say, ride a two-wheeler, and if you happen to have a fall and the head hits on the floor, you'll find if there is a good helmet, the impact, the force is taken up by the helmet and a good helmet breaks into two. Therefore, please see that you protect your head. Also, in addition, avoid falls, and also don't go in for skiing and such other aspects which are potential hazards which can in fact produce an injury to the brain. The seventh one is try a new activity. It could be learning to play an instrument or figuring out a puzzle or learning a language or a new hobby, and this kindles the brain. You may be doing some routine activities, Apart from that, try to learn something new, and that kindles newer areas of the brain and that stimulates your brain actually. The eighth one is utilize brain teasers to stimulate the brain. There is so much of games available online and so much of brain teasers like that available online, which gives specific exercises to your brain, and you'll be continually you'll be kindling your brain. For example, Sudoku, crossword puzzle, and so on. They all improve the functioning of all aspects of the brain, especially the field of memory. And ninth is enhance your skills by updating your knowledge. Very important. Teaching someone is also a brain exercise. It demands and prepares you with a lot of patience, attention, and motivation is essential for that. Now, exchanging skills also is a sort of a boosting effect. And you never know that sometimes a new skill becomes your new hobby and a personal therapy to you. So enhance your skills by updating your knowledge. So keep updating your knowledge every day and you find that the new knowledge is being fed into your brain. Newer areas of the brain are getting kindled. The 10th one is try to have at least 10 or 15 minutes a day to meditate. And this also boosts the brain actually, meditation. You can get trained it and it's all by itself, you're drawn within yourself and you can close your eyes and meditate for about 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes. That gives you immense relaxation. And after that, you get a real rejuvenation. And 11th one is the music. Good music, with your headphones or otherwise, it boosts the brain power. And don't have some wild extra noise like, but it is very, very effective that you listen to the music which you like. It increases memory power, it calms your nerves, it boosts your focus, it lightens your temper also. And there are many studies claiming that listening to good tunes generate more creativity in your brain. That's also very essential. So please, either you plug in your earphones, but don't keep it very loudly, it can be bad for the ear, and or you can say a mellow tone. See that you listen to music, a music which you like, and that enhances the brain function. The 12th one is get social. That means, get socially connected. You can talk to your friends, go for small gathering or groups where you exchange good ideas, etc. So this will also help you, and also, it lowers your lower risk of the dementia, and even a longer life expectancy can occur. So create and nurture connections with your family friends, your family members, as well as your friends and others. Well, the 12 ways to improve your health, which I have told you are 1. Feed your brain. 2. Keep moving, that's physical exercise. 3. Manage your blood pressure. 4. Manage your blood sugar, especially for diabetics. 5. Avoid alcohol and avoid smoking. 6 is protect your head, wearing a helmet. 7 is try new activities apart from your routine one. And the 8th one is utilize brain teasers to stimulate the brain. And 9th is enhancing your skills by constantly updating your knowledge. And 10th is spend time for meditation. And 11th, music helps a lot. It's a sort of soothing effect for the brain. And the 12th one is getting socially connected. These are the 12 ways to improve the brain health. Thank you very much.